Namaste, I'm Jeevin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the last video, we have learned what is quality of a reporter. We will continue this topic. Today, we will continue this topic. So let's begin this. Last topic is balance. Balance, closely related to accuracy, is the selection of the significant details as a result of informed judgment on the reporter. Balance involve giving facts proper and placing them in proper relation to other facts. A balanced story is also a complete story. Balance where the reporter presents both sides of an issue, particularly if it is controversial. For example, if you write a sports story for your high school paper, every statement could be correct. But if only the action of the home team is reported, the reporter is guilty of writing an incomplete of unbalanced story. If you are covering and convention of the and write about a minor speech in great detail while giving little details about a major speech, you produced a unbalanced article. Objectivity is news a factual report of an event, not a report as seen by a biased person, seen as a reporter might wish it to be seen. The reporter should be impartial and honest as possible. In fact, if a reporter does have a bias, sometimes he or she declines to do the story, or more often, bans offer backwards to make sure both sides are covered equally. It is totally objectively, humanly possible. We all have backgrounds, bias, and emotion that help makes up who we are as people, and turning them off completely is pretty impossible. Sometimes biased reporting happen in 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 advertise because the reporter tries to be clever or make a story more interesting. So let's this recent timelines is the utmost importance in the news coverage in the general, and news writing is particular. Other facts being equal, an editor will choose one some over another because of it is time 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 we can say timeliness ठीक है. On occasion, however, timeliness may not be necessarily mean event are urgent and current. With the attempt of the president Ronald Reagan in 1981 came, and stories about the of John F 1963. There is some little bit example. I hope you will if you don't understand, let it be. I will I will show you in practical way. So what we have learned, we already know what should do a good reporter. So now let's types of reporting. Let's start the topic. Types of reporting. To understand the meaning of beat reporting, to discuss the different types of beat reporting. Beat reporting is the craft of reporting on the issue or particular sector, organization, or institution over time. Beat reporters build up a base of knowledge on gain familiarity with the sector, allowing them to provide insight and commentary in addition to reporting straight face. This them from the other journalists have might cover similar stories from time to time. A news beat is institutional institutional or issue area that generates enough news readers' interest to make a worthwhile for a newspaper to assign a reporter to cover it on regular basis. Traditional beats are government agencies such as the police department, court, schools, and city hall. Certain issue areas such as health, business, and environment are also regularly beats on the most newspapers. Could also be imagined quietly differently. From example, if they choose to do it, newspapers could assign reporters to explore and write regularly about, say, childhood works, ethics, psychology, or any work area or field that might help readers understand the world they live in. What makes a beat a good beats both writer or reader is a variation in the level of analysis. This that is a good beat has stories that can be told with the lots of concentrate details, but also with the board themes that speak abstract issues and ideas. Beats are places where ideas flourish as well as where events happen. A good beats reporters always operate at both micro level and the macro level of analysis. So let's start. What is crime reporting? There is tremendous public interest in the crime stories, and no newspaper can afford to ignore them without damage to circulation and credibility. Crime is a part of life, and it is newspapers' duty to inform the readers of what crimes are going on their cities and state or country. However, crime reporting should not aim to a satisfying morbid curiosity or sensational news. Although reporting is usually assigned to one of the junior reporters in a newspapers, it is highly responsible and specialized. The reporter should not only have the ability of sift and the grain from the chaff, the truth from the lies. He also have good contacts in the police and other department of the administration, as well as working knowledge of penal codes of law and libel and other relevant matters. Beside, he must observe a code of honor. He should be as objective and as humanly as possible, so as avoid resorting of a sensationalism or cheap gimmicks to catch the attention of the readers of the viewers. He should not be suppress news of public interest, nor should he seeks to settle personal score with the police officers or lawyers and judge. And he must be careful that in the courses of his work he does not unnecessarily invade a citizen's privacy. There has been much criticism of press reporting of crime, and not all of it baseless. Some reporters have been found guilty of unethical standards, thus causing much pain and sorrow to their victims and their families and friends. Crime reporters try to glorify the activities of criminals or sometimes make heroes of them. This practice should be discouraged as much as a resort of sensationalism. The crime reporter must have much never violate standards of decency and good news taste. There are several types of crime news: murders, fires, accidents, robberies, fraud, blackmailing, kidnapping, rape, etc. There are so many crimes. So, fires. The reporter must get his facts correct about the essential elements of the fire story: the number of personnel killed or injured, the extent of damage of property, the loss of valuable, etc. He must also find out the fire bridge, fire brigade respondent in the time of was guilty and delaying of the fire operation through a sheer uh, incompetence or lack of water supply. He should question eyewitness about any acts of bravery or cowardice. All these are essential ingredients of fire story. The leads in a fire story would normally suggest itself. If, for instance, life have been lost, it needs highlighting in the leads if possible. The reporter must list of the name of the dead of the injured. Homicides. In the case of major murders, the reporter should rush to the scene as soon as possible after receiving a tip and gather all the relevant facts. In 9 cases out of 10, crime reporters say in Delhi depends on the police information about the murders, and there is a time to lapse before they can begin and their investigation. This often hampers their search of the truth. The reporter must, in any case, exercise great care in how he handles the story. Otherwise, he runs this risk of the causing offense. In reporting dowry deaths and alleged dowry deaths, the reporters must refrain from the leveling statement by one party or the other. He must therefore get his facts correct by talking to them investigation police with the investigation police officer, the girl in-laws, and the her parents, if possible with the neighbors. Accidents. I'm talking about all the crimes. How will reporter react and how will develop his story. Accident. Most accidents are reported on the basis of uh, police information and supplied by the police spokesperson. However, wherever possible, the crime reporter must rush to the scenes of the major accident to give authenticity to his story. Arrests. Arrests. It is a serious matter to report that person has been placed under arrest. When such a report is made, the exact charges against the arrested person could be given. It should be documented by the other record of the attribution of the responsible official. It is if such documentation cannot be obtained, the reporter has better to check the facts, and the person is in the question may not have been under arrest at all. In many states an arrest is not formally accomplished until a prisoner is booked. The news is any case must be handled with the care. So these are the information of these are the crimes or what important topics in the crime reporting. Accusations. Accusation is it is a commonly written that someone is being straight sought for the robbery, suspected of the person of try to for murder. This is journalistic shorthand which has gained acceptance through uses, but it is neither precise nor correct. Persons are sought in the connection with the robbery unless a charge has actually been made, in which case they are charged with person under are not necessarily charged with the crime, and it generally not privileged matter to indicate that suspicion in the attached or attached to any individual by name, where the police suspect someone but lack proof that person may be held as material witness. That is the far from being accused as a criminal. Therefore, cases as suspicious are not usually given to extensive and detailed news treatment. If no privileged material is available for use, the practice of reporting that a defendant is being tried for murder while widely used is obviously uh, and could be more accurately if less drama stated being tried as a charge of murder. So we will continue this we will in the so today in the next video we will continue this topic, crime reporting. What is crime reporting, what is confession? So in the in the next video we will learn, we will continue this topic, and today I will end this topic. Thank you.